Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram issue. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step, you simply need to open Play Store and search for the Instagram, and you need to update your Instagram application. Click on update. Once you've done that, you simply need to go into the settings and go into the app management and go into the app list and search for the Instagram here. Okay, so I'm going to open, and then you need to click on storage and cache. And the first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and after that you need to allow all permissions. Once you've done that, you simply need to log in into your account on Instagram, and after that your issue will be resolved. So now currently my Instagram is updating, and once it is updated, my issue will be resolved. So this is a process by which you can fix Instagram issue. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.